you are given 15 minutes reading time. Yes or no? You are given 15 minutes reading time. Especially this is very important for practical papers like FR, SFM, SEMPE. I don't know, SEMPE is also a practical paper, what I feel, or even direct tax and indirect taxes. So these papers especially for FR and SFM, students generally complain time is not sufficient, and next paper is DT, direct taxes. 15 minutes when reading time is given, don't behave like a robo. Don't just scroll all the 10 pages within 10 minutes. I don't know, student behave like a robo. Within that 15 minutes, he like read each and every line of the entire question paper. I don't know. It's impossible. For me, I can't read. For me, understand reading means for me analyzing, not simply reading word. 15 minutes. Very important strategy I'm telling you. In FR or if you're writing accounts, you know very well this problem will damn sure come from particular chapter. Definitely a question will come and you know you're very confident of it. Suppose you are very confident of consolidated financial statements and you know in FR definitely CFS will come, or in CA Inter Advanced Accounts definitely CFS problem will come, and you know you are very confident in that chapter. What you need to do within 15 minutes, identify in the question paper where is CFS problem. Question number 4. 15 minutes spend only on that problem because you don't want to leave it. Some of your another student of CA Inter might have good command over partnership. Then in such case you need to trace for partnership problem. And some of you might have good command over amalgamation. Identify amalgamation problem. Some of you may have good command over cash flow statement. Identify cash flow, whatever it is. Identify that problem which is having minimum 10 marks weightage, and definitely you know you will attempt very well. You have very good command over that chapter. Identify that. That entire 10 to 15 minutes, only read that question slowly, step by step, frame the answer. Step 1 what, step 2 what, how the amounts have to be come, how the amounts, entire computations you should derive. 15th minute bell rang. Whatever is there in your brain, copy paste onto the paper. Within 15-20 minutes, if you write well, within first 20 minutes, after 2 o'clock, by 2:20 or 2:25, if you're able to finish 12 marks question with 100% accurate answer, I'm telling you, you qualified that attempt. You will qualify that attempt. What happened? Suppose, sir, 15 minutes I scribbled entire question paper I studied and I selected one question which I think I can do well, but when I started answering that question I understood and I discovered so many new adjustments which I never came across, which I'm unable to. My pen is not moving. This is the problem which many students face. This is the problem which many students face. Within that 15 minutes, they read entire question paper like a robot, and they assume they know very well that answer, and they start only when they started writing the answer, they discover that they don't know some steps. First question they'll keep it pending, second question they'll start, but subconsciously your mind is still thinking about how to solve that first question. Your brain is not fully paying attention to the second question as well. Second question also somewhere there is a twist. That's it. First 1 hour you could not even solve one question perfectly, especially in practical paper. This is a problem which many students face. If you are a repeater, I think you might connect with this point. Why you carelessly read 15 minutes just like that? Take one question within that 15 minutes, solve entire answer for that thoroughly. Now suppose, sir, within that 15 minutes on 7th or 8th minute, I discovered consolidated financials is not solvable. Like I can't solve it. Take another question. Whenever you're reading, 15 minutes reading time is not for reading entire question paper. 15 minutes reading time, I strongly feel it's a time given for you to solve at least one 15 marks question in your brain. Kindly do that. I hope you're getting my point. I hope you're not feeling offended with what I'm saying. I want you to realize how to use your time productively. And 100 marks, don't aim for it. Don't aim for attempting. Many all India rankers, their average weightage which they attempted is 85 to 90 marks. 85 to 90 is the average marks they attempted. And you and me just want to qualify. We don't even want a rank. I don't know about you. If you're aiming for rank, that's okay, different issue. But I'm talking about people like me who are having, skill set or ability to work, the work ability, getting it like mine. I'm not a very hard worker and all. I just want to qualify. Whenever I'm writing exam, I just work only to qualify. That's it. I never aim for rank. 3 months I'll prepare, I'll go and write exam, qualify and come. That's it. People like me, like people like you and me, majority I'm talking about. Aim for 70 marks perfectly. You will definitely do well. Especially this 15 minutes reading strategy is very important. 15 minutes. Within that 15 minutes, if you could not even derive proper solution for one question, I don't know, you need to assess yourself what you read within that 15 minutes, what benefit you got within that 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, you just decided, first I need to write this question, then I need to write this question. No point. No point in that. That 15 minutes, I strongly feel, is given for deriving full-fledged solution for one question or two questions, for big questions, and not for revising or reading entire question paper consisting 16 pages. Per minute you're reading one question, one paper. I don't know how it is possible. That's it. So this is how the 15 minutes is to be done, and how paper. I spoke about how ICI valuationer. Valuation is not a teacher like me to figure out your alternative answer. I don't know what is, whether it's an alternative. Whatever is there in me in the suggested answer, that's a Gita for me. That's a Bhagavad Gita for me, and accordingly I'll match it with you, with your answer. That's it. So do well, don't get scared and all. If you just keep all the points whatever I told in mind and apply the same logic in exam, definitely your success rate will improve. That's it. All the best, and don't try any new books or new videos and all now. Already you are close to exam. This video even can be watched for November attempt students. Even November attempt students can watch this video, not just me. That's it. All the best. I sincerely pray and I sincerely hope you will really deserve, you should get the result really you deserve for. Whatever you really deserve, you should get that result. And I sincerely pray for that. Your work, whatever, will paid off. All the very best. Have a nice time. And always during exams, try to sleep minimum 8 hours every day. Okay. If not 8, at least 7. That's it. I even spoke about CA final audit. I'm attaching to this video CA final audit day before strategy. CA inter all 8 subjects how to prepare day before exam strategy. We have attached already. That's it. All the best. All the best.